Hey guys, look what I found. Bro, I'm still banned for like another 1,000 freaking hours. Oh, I'm gonna turn this off. Okay, I found a whole bunch of these. Boom. Okay, so we got what the effing up corruption makes my mouth like weird. Okay, you got all these other ones, like they got Jalkins player model. This is so sick. And if you do get this this thing, you have to search up. So what you want to do? You search up Jaw Clamps Gorilla. It's like a GitHub link. You just do the same thing that you did to get the Gorilla shirts. You put it in your get it from your downloads. You put it in your plugins, and then you'll have Jaw Clamps and all these other cool ones. Like not just Jaw Clamps. All of these cool, like a whole bunch of these, even this thing. And all you need to download to get all of those is all you need to do is just go to the GitHub link, Jaw Clamps Gorilla, and there's also an expressions pack. Expressions, you can have like different faces and like wear them, like this one, this one, this one, yeah, and the change like to the normal to the I got all these different faces, and to change it, it's just this little button right here, and you're on these, and then if you go through, there's even like there's like sidebars, super cool. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye. Subscribe.